By offering a unique mix of impressive all-terrain capability with traditional British luxury, Range Rovers have long defined what a luxury SUV should be. And with an array of available paint colors, engine options, and other premium features, the Range Rover can be tailored to suit the taste of the most discerning buyers. In this video, we will tell you the 2022 Range Rover Autobiography, everything you need to know. Number 8. Passenger-friendly SUV. The designers of the 2022 Range Rover have paid keen attention to making the flagship SUV a passenger-friendly vehicle. With just a touch of the button, passengers at the rear can easily roll up or roll down windows and sunblinds for either side of the car, as well as all together. The memory seat function has been integrated into the seat control sliders, offering simplicity and a hassle-free experience. Moreover, the knobs for the air conditioning system are multifunctional too. With just a click, these knobs can be used to engage seat ventilation as well as the heating function. Even though the latest Range Rover is a luxury car, it is also a very practical family car. For instance, there is an enormous number of charging ports throughout the cabin so that multiple electronic devices can be charged at once. Number 7. The epitome of luxury. Land Rover is considered to be one of the most luxurious SUV manufacturers out there, and the legacy continues with the 2022 Range Rover model. The cabin is loaded with premium materials and exquisite trims. Almost everything is covered with exclusive leather, although buyers also have an option to choose a non-leather interior. The dashboard follows a long horizontal design language and has trims of wood and high-quality aluminum that accentuate the exquisiteness even further. The center console between the driver and co-passenger seat is completely made up of unfinished wood with sleek metal inputs which look gorgeous altogether. No doubt you get a leather-wrapped steering wheel with a two-tone color combination that blends in beautifully with the interior. Interestingly, the headrests of the front seats have inbuilt speakers which cut down the ambient noise inside the car, offering a peaceful drive. At the rear, you get luxurious executive class seats with an electrically folding center armrest to split the row into two sections. And just in case you want to celebrate an occasion or raise a toast, there is a champagne fridge to offer you chilled drinks. Number 6. Evolution through simplicity. Being the 5th generation model, the 2022 Range Rover has evolved to have contemporary design but still follows the signature styling of the brand. While the overall silhouette of the luxury SUV fundamentally remains unchanged, there are some key updates throughout the bodywork of the vehicle that distinguish the new Range Rover to be more modern-looking and gorgeously beautiful. At the front, the most notable change has to be the bumper, which has now been given a rectangular look that stretches across the width of the front, cutting down the visual bulk. The headlights of the SUV feature a striking digital LED exterior lighting with Range Rover's signature daytime running lights. Just between the headlights is the updated front grille with an interesting new pattern design. The side profile of the new Range Rover is even more cleaner, with just a single line running throughout the length of the car. The SUV still wears the typical Range Rover styling that features a solid upright position, making the car look even bigger. Number 5. Mind-boggling power. Range Rovers are famous for the insane power they pack under the hoods, and the 2022 model is no exception. The latest lineup includes two options in V8 gas and inline-6 mild hybrid drivetrains from the start. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 works with 553 pounds-per-foot of torque and 523 horsepower, and is capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The other option is a mild hybrid with a 105 kilowatt electric motor with a turbocharged inline-6 gas engine. In electric-only mode, Range Rover suggests you'll be able to drive up to 62, using the 38.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, 31.8 kilowatt-hour usable inside. This option includes a total of 395 horsepower with 406 pounds-per-foot of torque. We'll have to wait till 2024 to get a fully electric Range Rover. Number 4. Sheer comfort. Along with enormous power and a great deal of luxury, the 2022 Range Rover offers an extreme level of comfort for its passengers. Starting with the seats, ultra-comforting materials have been used to provide the softest feel to the driver as well as the passengers on board. The headrests are designed in such a way that they can be adjusted to contour perfectly to the passengers' heads, providing greater comfort. The new Range Rover offers a wide range of seating options, from 60/40 split rear seats to rear executive class seats with individual chairs. Those who want to be chauffeur-driven around the city have an option where the front passenger seat moves all the way ahead to the dashboard to provide maximum legroom, just with the touch of a button. All of the seats have multiple ways of adjustment to suit the perfect sitting position for everyone on board to ensure maximum comfort during long driving hours. Number 3. Advanced technology. The 2022 Range Rover is the epitome of leading-edge technology and is loaded with some mind-blowing tech features on board. It offers what the brand calls the PV Pro infotainment system, a 13.1-inch fully touch display that is convexly curved and has a floating appearance over the dashboard. Almost every function in the car can be accessed through this display, starting from cabin lighting to all-wheel drive mode. The display also features an inbuilt navigation system and offers voice recognition too. The infotainment system also offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity and is paired up with an industry-leading Meridian sound system that offers an immersive surround sound experience. All the major vehicle-related settings, such as dynamic drive modes and vehicle stability control, can also be accessed through this screen. Moreover, the screen also offers haptic touch for more responsive feedback and is quite useful while driving. Next up is the driver's instrument cluster, a 13.7-inch digital display that shows all the status of the vehicle and the engine, as well as navigation, and can be controlled with the buttons mounted on the steering wheel. Another fascinating tech feature is the head-up display, an augmented reality projection on the windshield at the driver's side that displays multiple information, such as the vehicle's speed and gear position, to ensure the driver's complete focus is on the roads. Finally, the rear executive seating gets 2 independent media displays for entertainment purposes and can be connected to external media devices through HDMI. Number 2. Luxurious off-roading. Although Land Rover cars are widely known for their luxury on offer, the fact that they can also be amazing off-roaders is something worth appreciating. The revolutionary terrain response system helps to offer a smooth and comfortable drive on any terrain. It adapts the engine's power and response from the gearbox differentials to the different driving conditions, especially challenging surfaces like slippery terrains and mud. It offers 7 drive modes to choose from: Eco, Dynamic, Comfort, Grass, Snow, Gravel, Mud, Sand, and Rock Crawl. Meanwhile, another interesting feature called the All-Terrain Progress Control enables the driver to set and maintain a steady speed, much like cruise control, while driving in challenging conditions such as snow or dirt roads. The system is designed to function between 1 and 18 miles per hour and help the driver to focus more on the terrain and obstacles. Moreover, the electronic air suspension system further adjusts the ground clearance of the SUV swiftly while keeping all 4 wheels on the ground on uneven surfaces to provide a more refined and comfortable ride. Number 1. Great performance and handling. With advanced systems such as adaptive dynamics, active rear locking differential, and dynamic response, the 2022 Range Rover offers a ride that is smooth and composed. The adaptive dynamics system monitors all the vehicle's movements up to 500 times per second and reacts immediately to all inputs from the driver as well as the terrain. This ensures the driver greater control over the vehicle on almost any surface and also minimizes the vehicle's body movement to a great extent. This system even senses obstacles in off-road conditions such as uneven surfaces or gravel and optimizes the damping accordingly, giving a great ride experience to the passengers inside. Meanwhile, the dynamic response system uses hydraulic roll control to improve the vehicle's handling significantly and provide more agility and less body roll at sharp corners. This system controls the front and rear axles independently to provide high-speed stability and greater steering precision. Do let us know in the comments if you're interested in buying this amazing car. Thanks for watching.